Hello all, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Zade Academy. Today let's talk about one of my favorite function, which is dative function. It calculates the number of days, months or the years between the two given dates. So in the syntax we have three components here. Start with the start date, then you can put your end date as well. The third piece is the unit. So this is determine how you want to calculate the difference between the two days. You can set it D here to calculate the number of days between the two dates. M would return the number of months between the dates. Y would return the number of years between the dates. There are also options like MD, YD or YM which will calculate the these differences regardless of month or regardless of years. Note that this is a functioning kind of like a network days function, except the network days is excluding the weekends. This is returning all of the dates. So, pro tip for this lecture is you only need to calculate the number of days between the dates. You just use the simple subtraction. You don't need to use a dative function for that. But where the dative function becomes much more valuable and where it can be replicated using simple operation is if you want to calculate the difference in terms of month or the years and so on. So let's take a look at the Excel. So to revisit this project expiry date that we had written already in the last lecture, what I can do here is if I want to calculate the months remaining until my project gonna expire, I can type here equals date if open up the parenthesis. I don't know why this is the case, but Excel doesn't help you through this function. It I mean, just kind of leaves you hanging. Not sure if it's a bug or what. But if you rely on your memory, you know that the first component of the dative is the start date. So in this instance, we have this current date is the start date, comma. Now the end date is going to be the expiry date, comma again, and the last piece is the unit. Now remember in this case I need the month remaining, so I'm gonna type M. But remember one thing again, don't work unless this don't work unless I put the M in the quotes here. So I'm gonna put M in the quotes. Sorry. Then close the parenthesis and hit the enter. That tell me that I have 22 months remaining from the current date through the date that my project gonna expire. And then similar case here, what I will do instead of writing this formula from the scratch, I'm just gonna gonna fix this what I say fix this current date and the expiry date in the formula. So I'm gonna press F4 for both of them and fix this and hit the enter. You get the 22 as an output for this months remaining. Now similar way, like now we have to do for the year remaining. Let's do it for the year remaining. Now we are gonna copy this, escape, paste it here. So here you just find it that we need to find here the year now. So just replacing the month by y, we get the output. So you can see as per the output you will get a 1. So which means that 1 year is remaining for the project gonna expire. Now I could here also jump to the workday cell and see here it calculates my days until my expiry. So which just says that the expiry minus the current date, which will calculate as the work days. And let's see if we can get the same answer by using a dative function. So I'm going to type equals date, open up the parentheses. Then you know that the current, you need to type the current date first. So current date, comma, then expiry date, comma. So we need the days, so we have, so I'm putting the D. So hit the column, parenthesis close, hit the enter. So here you get the same answer with the dative as well. Uh, but I mean, rather than dative here, I'm just prefer to use, I mean, expire current date minus expiry date. That's very simple one. So that's why I'm gonna use this one. But dative can be a great option, especially when you want to aggregate the difference between the two dates at the month or the year level. So that's all about the dative function. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more videos on the SZ Academy. Thank you all.